Hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to see some more formatting tags. Earlier we have learned few formatting tags. Now there is another way to format text. Instead of physically mentioning the formatting instructions in the browser, we just have to tell the browser what we want. Now the tags that manage such formatting are known as logical style tags. Now we are going to see few logical style tags. Now in first example you can see that in em tag, that is m, and /m we are writing some text. Now this tag is used to give emphasis on specific text. Whatever text come between these two tags will be emphasized. Next logical style tag is strong. Now between strong and /strong we are writing some text, and let's see difference between these two tags output. Now we are going to see logical style tag table, wherein on left hand side you can see the tags and on right hand side its description. So first is DFN. This tag is used to publish the text content in defined fashion. Second one is EM. We have seen this example. It is used to give emphasis on specific text. Third one is cite. It is used for citing important text such as titles of books, films, etc. Next one is code. It is used to demonstrate computer programming code segment. The text is displayed in a fixed width color font. Next is strong. We have also seen example of strong. So this tag prints the content in strong emphasis manner. The content is typically displayed in bold. Now let's learn one of the most important tag, that is font tag. It is used to give specific font and size to our text. Now let's see few examples. Now we are using this font tag. After font we are using attributes of font tag. So here the first attribute is size. Here we are defining size is equal to 3, for example 3 here. So this size attribute will get value of 3. Second attribute that we are using after leaving a space between size attribute and color attribute. So color is equal to red here. Then closing font tag. If we don't want this effect to be continued in the next line, we must close it. Second example, now we are giving font size different color again and writing some text. Now we are closing it. Now in third example we are using a new attribute of font tag, that is face. Face is font type. So here whatever we type after face is equal to in inverted comma. For example we have used here Comic Sans. Then color is equal to green, a new color to this text. Now we are typing this text and then closing the font tag. Now let's see the output. Now you can see that font size 3. The first line you can see in red. In second font tag we have used font size 2 and it is in blue color. In third we have changed the font type, that is type of font. So face attribute we have used, and whatever we have mentioned Comic Sans, that our text is displayed in that particular format and in green color. Now, whatever we have seen, that font tag and its attribute, that can be used as and when required in our website or web page. Let's learn a new tag, that is base font. This tag is used to decide the default font and its attribute for the whole page. Now we are typing base font, that is our element, then a space, that is attribute, is equal to, in inverted comma, type of font that we require, then leave one space and size equal to, for example, 15 we are typing here. Now save your HTML file and see output of the same. Now the next topic is special characters. Special characters are the characters that we cannot include in our HTML document directly. This type of character examples are, for example, less than sign, greater than sign, ampersand sign, copyright sign, etc. Now let's see few special characters and their properties in this table. Now symbol, the first one is less than sign. Description, what we call it, less than. Then mnemonic code is LT and ASCII value is 60. Now ASCII here is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In ASCII code system, each character has been assigned a particular numeric value. So next symbol is greater than, and mnemonic code for that is GT. ASCII value, you can see that 62 here. Then ampersand sign, mnemonic code is AMP, ASCII value is 38. Then copyright symbol is there, ASCII value 169. Then 1/4, ASCII value is 188. 1/2, that is 189. 3/4, that is 190. Then registered trademark is there, and mnemonic code for same is ERG, and ASCII value is 174. So whenever we want to use any one of this symbol, we can insert it using ampersand sign and then mnemonic code for that particular symbol.